Hello there everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. So here are the surprising truths about each generations. Silent generation born 1928, 1945 was shaped by Great Depression, World War II, post-war boom. Silent generation is known for their strong work ethic, dedication to family, respect for authority, and sense of duty. They are often seen as generation that values hard work, responsibility, and stability. Baby boomers or boomer gen, born 1946 to 1964, were shaped by post-World War II prosperity, civil rights movements, Cold War and space race, rise of rock and roll and counterculture. Boomers are known for their strong work ethics, individualism, and pursuit of American dream. Gen Y or Millennials, born 1981 to 1996, were shaped by digital revolution, 9/11, the Great Recession, focus on personal growth, social media, and influencer culture. Millennials are known for their tech savviness, social consciousness, entrepreneurial spirit, and desire for a balanced life. Gen Z, born 1997 to 2012, were shaped by constant connectivity, global interconnectedness, economic uncertainty, focus on mental health. Gen Z is known for their digital fluency, social consciousness, entrepreneurial spirit, and focus on mental well-being. Gen Alpha, born 2010 onwards, are shaped by hyper-digital world, grow up with AI, VR and AR, climate change, social justice and inclusivity, focus on well-being. Gen Alpha is known for their tech fluency, environmental consciousness, social awareness, and focus on well-being. Gen Beta, born 2013 onwards, will likely be shaped by AI integration, climate crisis, evolving social landscape, personalized experiences. Gen Beta is expected to be highly tech-savvy, environmentally conscious, social progressive, and adaptable to a rapidly changing world. What generation are you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Shout out and thank you so much to my few viewers and channel members and to all my supportive friends when I goes live.